Alright, here we are back in the basement. I have what I need now to replace the anode for my hot water heater. I was missing a 1 1/16" socket so I could remove the old one. So let's set the camera up here where I can get a little bit of a view of where I'll be working. Boy, the lighting is rough, but we're going to just run with it because that's what it's going to be. So that's where the anode access place is. Let's peel it open here. I got to drain some water. So I've got my garden hose hooked up, or a garden hose hooked up to the drain plug here on my hot water heater. My water is turned off. There, we're draining it out. I can feel the top of the bolt. So these are supposed to go 3 to 5 years. This hot water heater was installed 13 years ago. So it should be interesting to see what we have in here, what's left of the anode. Alright, broke it loose. My $8 socket. Oh yeah, there's not much left of this. Holy cow. Well, I'm going to turn off the drain. There we go. Yeah, there's not much left. Holy crap, look at that. Set that off to the side. Move fast here. I suppose the second story of the house is draining down through the system right now. Should have unwrapped this before I started. Okay. So I showed you the new anode a minute ago. Let's get it started. Okay, there it is. Wrap a little plumber tape around it, sealant tape. Sorry, I need both hands over here. Shoot. Right, so you probably not visible what I'm doing here. I should have put the sealant tape on before I put the new anode in, but it didn't. All right, here we go. Thread it in by hand. This big monster socket on there. I don't know why it's not 1 inch. 1 1/16. 1 1/16. Doesn't seem right. I dropped my roll of tape on the floor. I'll find that in a minute. it's dry, turn my water supply back on. Look for my tape on the ground. Now someone's running water, but it did pressurize. Feels dry. All right, so I've never done that before. Obviously, I would have had the socket already. I gotta say, changing that anode was way easier than I expected it to be. I bought one that would bend, had segments, so there's no reason not to do that. It really is easy. Drain a little bit of water, pop the old one out, put the new one in, crank it down. Piece of cake.